FEU. Nagamot nila yan eh.
Yeah, for a while. But now it's back. Kita mo, they're expecting really all strong hits from Ateneo, but Ateneo's just faking them and going for the off-speed.
Highly anticipated match. And they're delivering. The girls from Ateneo and FEU. It's either you take it or you don't. And Banyel says, I won't.
Last split second. Huling-huling na.
Pwede, okay lang yun.
Oo naman.
Basta mag-desisyon ka. That keeps them another free point from Ateneo. So 7 serving 8 here. Good news for them. Vargas is in the back line.
Nice reception.
Ateneo combination play. They go to the rookie. Saved by Agno. This is free ball. Gervasio asking for it. And she gets it. We saw the communication between her and Ferrer. Gervasio opens up. Jesus naman this time through the block. See? You know, we have some padded tables here, so
okay lang.
Yeah. Just for the safety of the girls. These girls giving their all, everything they've got. See, both FEU and Ateneo, you cannot ask for anything more from both these schools.
Patakbuhin mo lang. Kailangan natin paghiwalayin ngayon. So, ilayo mo lang. Pero pag ginanon mo kay pag ganun kay Winnet, bato sa dulo, pag ganun mo naman, igabigay mo ng lagyan mo ng lanse para malito yun sa blocker, ha? Kaya mo yan, ha? Sige. Receive pa tayo, receive.
Coach Ness calling a timeout. They're behind 2. 9-7 Ateneo serving. FEU will play for side out and the point.
Wow. And the crowd here really up
edge of their seats.
Edge of their seats. All of them.
Kung nakaupo pa sila.
Good serve there.
Yes, correct. Pasas. Chance here. Good setup job. Kainglet. And Agno, just impeccable job as libero. Ferrer goes back to Phil. Off speed again. Pasas this time. Hindi mamatay-matay ang bola. Valdez asking for it, but they go to Phil. She adjusts. Oh, and dun pa sila namatay.
Wow. Phil having the presence of mind. That ball was set close to the net. Didn't force the issue. But look at the save from FEU.
Making another tennis analogy, Doc. It's like going up against Nadal. Lahat hinahabol ng FEU talaga. You have to play an extra point when you're playing against FEU. Kala mo patay na eh.
Again, sinubukan ni C.
Kainglet. It's Ferrer diving. Free ball for FEU. They're down by 3. They go to Winnet. That's off the block. And too strong.
Finally, Winnet getting a point with that running spike, hitting it off the block. Keeping control in the middle. Ito nakawala with one blocker. Phil Kainglet not able to control that hit of Eulalio.
Pati yung take-off niya eh. Parang walang balance yung take-off ni Kainglet eh. Giselle C.
Nice serve, nice reception from Denden.
Kainglet. Chance for FEU here. Back set, Winnet. Great dig by Jem. Kainglet again. Agno was there, as usual.
Vargas.
Denden easily taking that. And you credit that point to Denden Lazaro. She was the one who set it up so perfectly for Jem Ferrer. And for Gervasio to put it away. The lead is 3.
Nice read. Again, Vargas a bit late to react.
Pag ganun kasi si Vargas
Took the scenic route. Hindi yung diretso.
The height, here you go. And the elevation of the rookie. Able to dip that back. A more comfortable 4-point lead for the Lady Eagles. Look at her, all alone there.
Inabot pa rin.
Dulot.
Kailangan na natin rumeceive. Ngayon, nasa yung diskarte. Pag receive nila, ikaw na magbibigay ng play, di ba? So, pag-alanganin, ito lang. Pag nag-alangan, taas-taas mo lang sa sigurado yung spiker, ha? Huwag natin madalihin yung bola. Kasi pag natataranta tayo, may gusto natin may taas agad. So, kontrolin natin. Dahan-dahan natin taas para may set ka. Okay?
You know, Ian, FEU has been involved in a few five-setters here, and they have come up short,
Most of the time.
which is a testament to their youth,
Yeah.
to their inexperience. And everything is a learning process. But 8-12 is not safe.
That's true.
Just ask UST.
Yeah. They're here. Gusto yung tanong hindi
UST led LaSalle 7-1 and 13-9 eventually in the fifth set. Lost it 16-14. So let's see if FEU has learned from their past experiences in the fifth where they dropped it. Or has Ateneo bounced back?
Ateneo now has Kainglet, Ferrer, and Valdez in the front.
Full
row.
front line, full front line. Valdez.
Oh! Nice block by Dawson. Wow, Dawson with a very timely and crucial block.
Coach Roger calls this time off with a 2-point lead.
Mamayaan, resiban ninyo ng bola. Phil, kailangan mabilis na play, ha? Resiban nyo rito.
Team tayo ha, Ella, then...
Resiban mo rito, ha? Pasukin mo rito ng bigla, ha? Huwag ka dito papalo, ha? Dito mahaba, Jem, ha? Tapos ipatong mo rito si Baldo. Ha? Doon sa gitna mo ibibigay, ha? Huwag mo unahin yung set, ha? Unahin mo muna, pakagatin mo muna si Phil. Tingnan nyo maigi, mag-uusap kayo, magtinginan kayo, ha? Sige, naman pa tayong dalawa.
A very specific play there.
Yeah. Ito, kita mo mabablock, and Phil trying to run after it. Not able to do so, and after the timeout, or during the timeout, Coach Roger wants a fast play for Phil Kainglet. And Elisa, ayaw nila nung mataas yung
Correct.
set.
Oh, crucial dito, reception.
And yung serve. Yun. Ooh, not a good one.
Not what Coach Roger
Yes.
wanted. Oh, but that's out. They're looking for a touch.
No
Referee
touch.
says no touch. With Roger hollering from the side, they are 2 points away. Ella De Jesus, by the way, is limping on the court right now. 13, serving 10, the rookie on deck. Free ball for Ateneo. Combination play does not materialize. Basas, chance again for Ateneo.
Oh!
Back set. Very tense moments here at the arena. And De Jesus had a hard time. She was limping, I told you.
Yeah.
She has a hard time even getting up.
I think she's going to be subbed. Yes. Lazaro. Going Basas, give credit to Basas for that cross-court and having the presence of mind. It was set way over the antenna, but still, she got it in.
It ain't over. 11, serving 13, fifth set.
Oh, nice reception.
Combination play. Giselle C digs it up. Vargas puts it away.
Guess who's back in front? It's Vargas.
That's what I was saying. Earlier, Ateneo had their chances because Vargas was at the back. But now, the Olongapo native is back with a vengeance.
Huwag mong pakakawalan. Hindi bibigyan yung gitna. Itataboy dito yung bola. Basahin yung maigi. Naman patay ng isa, ha? Huwag kayong mataranta. Hayaan nyo sila. Isang patay lang yan. Isang receive. Isang magandang atake. Patis yan. Ipensa mo maigi. Sige, huwag kayong masyado.
Alam mo, sira na itong lamesa natin dito sa atin dalawa. Yan, panay ang pagpag natin ng lamesa at ng upuan.
Grabe. Dapat pati yung mga tayo nasa panel nagpapakondisyon para sa
I think I'm gonna call in sick the whole week. Basa serving, 12 serving 13, opens up to Phil.
No blockers for Phil.
Wide open, and Phil Kainglet drills it home. Look at this. Set by Ferrer, back set, Kainglet, nobody home.
What a time for the FAU block to misread their attackers.
Match point, and it's on Phil Kainglet's serve. Safe serve. C. Guess who they go to? Vargas for this hits. And Ateneo, with a big sigh of relief,
Wow.
escapes by the skin of their teeth.
And back-to-back errors for Vargas. One in defense and that final point of a missed hit. We knew that it was going to be given to her.
Yep.
Everyone knew. But ayun, she wanted to avoid the block, got bothered by the block, and
The set was behind her
Behind
also,
her.
Doc, ano? The set was behind her.
Coach Roger.
Oh, what a relief for him. What a battle.
Woo.
These schools have to be proud of themselves.
Yes.
And they're getting an applause here from all the
Both
fans.
of the teams.
Both the teams. And they deserve it. Another classic. Ateneo holds their nerve in the 5th set.
That's true. And all the respect for FEU and
Oh, yeah.
Ateneo. They gave it their best. And again, Major Rojas, our prayers are
Yes,
with
of course. And the birthday girl, she just celebrated her birthday. She is the best player. That crucial kill.
her. Yeah.
23 points on 23 attacks. Her fans behind us here cheering her at the arena in San Juan.
That's
And why
right,
not?
That's right.
Really, the captain delivering.
Sabi nga natin kung Elisa Valdez was not producing the points, they turned to their
Yes.
team captain, the
Yes.
most senior player, Phil Cainglet, delivering the points when they needed it the most.
And this has got to be tough. What sports house play of the game
Oh, yeah.
would you choose of the many from the first set? But you have to do your job, Doc, and choose,
That's right, that's right.
I guess, a winning one.
That's right, and this was the crucial one
Crucial.
that, you know, FEU, what a time for them to miss out on the block, and it was Phil Cainglet ang natapatan pa nung pagkakataon na yon. She knew what to do, she delivered it home. That's our sports house play of the game.
Get up to 60% off on select equipment in Sports House. Red carpet deal. A war of attrition. That's what it was today
Perfect for Sunday.
FEU and Ateneo to finish the weekend.
So,
But we all come back on Wednesday.
I know, sabi ko nga, marami pang mangyayari, and it's just...
Mag-workout ka, ha? Dahil
Papakondisyon tayo.
mapapakondisyon ka ba for Wednesday. Dahil itong Lady Eagles go up against the UP Lady Maroons on Wednesday, and then the #1 team trying to keep their unblemished record to
That's right.
sweep it. The Lady Spikers go up against the NU Lady Bulldogs. There are really no words to describe this match between Ateneo and FEU, but the big winners here, the viewers on Studio
Yes,
23,
that's right.
and the people who attended here at the arena in San Juan. We were treated to an incredible game and a classic again for season 74 of the UAP Women's Volleyball Tournament. For Jazz Reyes, Victor Lopez, and of course my partner Doc Ian Laurel, and Direk Abit Ramos, everybody at the truck behind the scenes for ABS-CBN Sports. I'm Boom Gonzalez saying so long from the arena in San Juan as we continue to dig, set, and spike through season 74 of the Women's Volleyball Tournament here on Studio 23. Good night.